They told you that after 60, strength only goes one way, down. They told you weak legs, slow steps, and struggling with stairs were just part of aging. But I want you to listen very carefully. They were wrong, completely wrong. Because your body is not done, your legs are not finished, and your strength did not expire. I'm about to show you 4 simple daily exercises that have helped seniors in their late 70s and even early 90s rebuild strength, stability, and confidence they thought was lost forever. These movements are easy, safe, scientifically backed, and take less than 10 minutes a day. But more than exercise, this is about reclaiming something far deeper: your independence, your balance, your dignity, and the powerful truth that age does not decide your future. Your actions do. So if you're ready to rise again, listen closely. This might be the most important message your legs ever hear. Every year after age 60, you naturally lose up to 3% of your leg strength. By 70, that's nearly a third gone, unless you do something about it. Many people think this loss is permanent, but it isn't. Strength can return, mobility can return, stability can return. But here's the deeper truth no one talks about. After 60, it's not just your muscles weakening, it's the connection between your brain and your legs. Scientists call it neuromuscular disconnect. Imagine your brain as the supervisor and your muscles as the workers. With age, the supervisor stops giving clear instructions. The signal becomes weak. That is why you sometimes feel unsteady, why your steps feel less confident, why chairs feel harder to get out of, and why your legs feel like they don't always listen. These 4 exercises awaken that connection again. They retrain your muscles, rebuild strength, and reignite the communication your legs have been missing. Think of them as rewiring your internal power system. The first exercise is the modified step-up, a simple movement with extraordinary benefits. I want you to understand this clearly. Step-ups are the most functional movement for seniors. You use the same muscles when climbing stairs, getting into cars, stepping over curbs, and rising from chairs. When seniors lose the ability to perform this pattern, they lose independence. But when they regain it, life changes. You start by choosing a low step, even just 2 to 4 inches high. Stand tall facing the step, holding a wall or countertop for support. Take a deep breath in through your nose. As you exhale, step up with your stronger leg, pressing through your entire foot. Not your toes, not your heel, your whole foot. Imagine pushing the floor away from you. Lift yourself gently, bring your second foot up, then pause for a moment. Feel your balance. Feel your control. Then step down slowly with intention, breathing in as you descend. Do this 8 to 10 times per leg. These slow, controlled movements strengthen your legs far more than rushing or using momentum. And the beautiful part is this: every day as your legs respond, your confidence grows. In 2 to 3 weeks, the same step that once felt challenging becomes easy, and that is your sign to raise the height slightly. This exercise rebuilds power slowly, steadily, safely. It teaches your legs how to lift you again, how to stabilize you again, how to hold you up with pride and strength. The second exercise is the standing heel raise. Simple? Yes. Life-changing? Absolutely. Your calves are your silent protectors. They help you stand, balance, absorb shock, and support almost every movement you make. But here's something fascinating. Your calves are often called your second heart. Every time they contract, they help pump blood upward, preventing swelling and improving circulation. Strengthening them reduces fall risk, improves walking speed, and supports the intricate stabilizer muscles in your ankles and feet. To perform this, stand tall with your feet hip-width apart and lightly hold a countertop or chair. Breathe in, and as you exhale, lift your heels off the ground slowly, pushing through the balls of your feet. Rise as tall as you comfortably can. Hold at the top for 2 full seconds. This pause is where the real magic happens. Then lower your heels back down very slowly, taking 3 to 4 seconds. Your muscles work harder on the way down than on the way up, and that slow lowering phase builds powerful strength. Do 12 to 15 repetitions twice a day. When this gets easier, increase the hold to 3 seconds at the top, or eventually try doing the movement with 1 foot at a time. You don't need speed, you don't need weights, you just need consistency. The third exercise is one hardly anyone ever talks about: ankle circles and toe taps. This movement strengthens small but crucial muscles, that keep your steps strong and controlled. Seniors who lose ankle mobility often develop a shuffling walk, dragging feet, or instability, leading to dangerous falls. But research shows stronger ankles directly predict better walking speed, balance, and independence. You can do these seated or lying down. Extend one leg slightly, relax your knee, and begin drawing a slow circle with your big toe as if you were painting on the air. Do 10 slow circles clockwise and 10 counterclockwise. Then start toe taps. Pull your toes toward your shin as far as comfortable, then point them away. Do this 15 to 20 times per leg. This simple movement awakens your shins, calves, and stabilizer muscles. You can do it while watching TV, before getting out of bed, or during a quiet moment of your day. These tiny exercises create enormous improvements in balance, foot control, and walking confidence. When your ankles move better, your whole body moves better. The fourth exercise is the great integrator, marching in place. This movement is easy, safe, and incredibly effective because it teaches each leg to support your body independently. When you walk, only one leg holds you at a time. Marching improves leg strength, balance, hip mobility, and even cardiovascular health. Start seated if needed. Sit on the front edge of a chair, lift one knee, hold it for a moment, then lower it gently. Alternate legs, keeping a steady rhythm. When seated, marching feels easy. Try standing marching with a countertop for support. Lift one knee, lower it, then lift the other. Do this for 30 seconds to 1 minute, 2 or 3 times daily. Eventually, you can swing your opposite arm to mimic natural walking. Over time, your steps become lighter, smoother, stronger. You gain endurance, you gain coordination, and you regain the natural rhythm of a confident walker. But let me tell you something even more powerful. These exercises aren't just movements. They're messages to your body. Every lift, every step, every raise tells your muscles, wake up, strengthen, rebuild. And the body listens. Your legs are not too old. Your muscles are not too far gone. Your balance is not beyond repair. You simply need consistency, patience, and belief. Seniors who follow this routine twice a day, just 10 minutes, have reported walking faster in 2 weeks, climbing stairs more comfortably in 3 weeks, and feeling noticeably steadier within the first month. One 82-year-old woman said she felt like her legs came back to life. Another, at age 78, said she could finally enjoy long walks without feeling unstable. These transformations are real, and they can happen for you too. Now here's your simple daily routine. Do the step-ups, heel raises, ankle circles with toe taps, and marching in place once in the morning and once in the evening. That's it. No gym, no equipment, no pressure. Just gentle, powerful movements done consistently. Start with the easiest versions. Build slowly. Celebrate small progress. Every repetition is an investment into your future, your independence, your stability, your freedom, your confidence. And here's the truth you need to hold close. Strength does not vanish with age. It only sleeps. And the moment you start moving consistently, your strength wakes up again. Your legs are waiting for you. Your balance is waiting for you. Your independence is waiting for you. You are not done. You are rebuilding. You are rising. You are strengthening from the inside out. If this message is touching your heart, if you feel a spark awakening inside you, take one action right now. Stand up, hold on to something sturdy, and do just one step up, one heel raise, one march, one ankle circle, just one. Because the moment you take that first step, your journey begins, and your 80-year-old self will thank you for what you chose today. Thank you for being part of the Seniors Hub, where we guide you to stay strong, active, and independent at every age. If you want more powerful health messages like this, don't forget to subscribe. Your journey to stronger legs and a stronger life starts today.